Genesis chapter 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And God saw the light, that it was good. And God divided between the light and the darkness. And God called the light day, and he called the darkness night. And the evening and the morning were day one. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heavens. And the evening and the morning were day two. And God said, "Let the waters under the heavens be gathered together to one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and he called the gathering together of the waters seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth vegetation, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree producing fruit after its kind, whose seed is in itself, upon the earth." And it was so. And the earth brought forth vegetation, the herb yielding seed after its kind, and the tree producing fruit after its kind, whose seed is in itself. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were day three. And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens to divide between the day and the night, and let them be for signs, and for appointed seasons, and for days and years, and let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens to give light upon the earth." And it was so. And God had made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day, and the lesser light to rule the night. And God had made the stars also. And God set them in the firmament of the heavens to give light upon the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide between the light and the darkness. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were day four. And God said, "Let the waters abound with swarms of living creatures, and let fowl fly over the earth on the face of the firmament of heaven." And God created great sea animals, and every living creature that moves, with which the waters swarmed after their kind, and every winged fowl after its kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and multiply, and fill the waters of the seas, and let the fowl multiply in the earth." And the evening and the morning were day five. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth living creatures after their kind, livestock, creeping things, and beasts of the earth, each after its kind." And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after their kind, and the livestock after their kind, and every creeping thing upon the earth after their kind. And God saw that it was good. And God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of heaven, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that crawls upon the earth. And God created man in his own image. In the image of God, he created him. He created them, male and female. And God blessed them. And God said to them, "Be fruitful and multiply and replenish the earth and subdue it, and have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the fowl of heaven, and over every living thing that moves upon the earth." And God said, "Behold, I have given you every herb-bearing seed which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree upon which is the fruit of the tree bearing seed. To you they shall be for food. And to every animal of the earth, and to every fowl of heaven, and to all the living creatures that crawl upon the earth, every green plant is given for food." And it was so. And God saw everything that he had made, and indeed it was exceedingly good. And the evening and the morning were the sixth day.